So I grow a lot of carrots, and about 1,000 a year, and I'm particularly a fan of harvesting them over winter when they're super sweet and crisp. But I also love just harvesting them about now, you know, in that period all the way through May and early June when they've been overwintered. And so I started this batch that I'm going to show you today on the 19th of October. They were in the polytunnel all the way through winter, and I put them outside on top of my IBC tanks too high for carrot fly to get at them in early April. They just grew there, they're perfectly hardy, and yeah, so I'm harvesting them now, and it's the beginning of June. Good sized carrots, very happy with them, and the variety is, as I say, Napoli, 19th of October, and put them outside in April. And I actually put them in a 35 litre tub, and 40 carrots or 45 carrots per tub, and basically, you know, about 40 of them survive to a good harvest size. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's the tub of carrots that we're harvesting. Superficially, looks pretty good. Those are the last two tubs that I've got up there. Got plenty of carrots in the ground. The summer carrots are looking particularly nice under their nets. And this is what you've got to look out for. So here's a carrot, looks, again, superficially like quite a nice carrot, but it's gone to seed. You can see that thick stem there. No point eating that carrot, it's not worth it. Kind of look through here, actually most of them have got nice floppy stems. Just, it's easier, I find, to find the ones that have gone to seed before you take the carrots out. So there we go, another thick stem there. Let's pop that out. Very thin carrot. This is only very recently gone to seed because it has actually thickened up reasonably well, but as I say, still no point eating that, it'll just be really tough. But all the rest seem to be pretty good. So we're going to harvest these, and you'll see that, you know, these are good sized carrots, which, well, you could probably get carrots as good as these with a really early sowing in February, but yeah, I prefer to do them back in November. But these are good sized carrots. You'll be happy with that in midsummer, wouldn't you? So I've basically got a tub a week of these carrots to harvest, and by then, wow, look at that. That is one hell of a carrot. Yeah, for this time of year, I am pretty pleased with that. I mean, they're all pretty good. No carrot fly on them. Wow, these are great. As I say, I'm very happy with these. This is one of the reasons why, you know, you think don't pick your overwintered carrots too early, because, you know, a few weeks ago these are tiny spindly little things, but now they're kind of, wow, giants. There's no point picking all of these actually, because there's no way we're going to get through all of these in a week. But yeah, looking pretty good. So as I say, when you start these, you get tiny little carrots all the way through until the end of March, until the end of February, and start growing again. And you think, what is the point with these? Because they're so tiny. But this is the point. You know, carrots that are how you should be happy with in July and June. When you're self-sufficient, this is a real boon. Yeah, super happy with these. So that was my best one. Wow. Anyway, we're going to get these cleaned up. So here's the end result. So we got two 2-litre tubs of essentially perfect carrots, and then these are the oversized ones. Some of them got a little tiny bit of slug damage on them. Some of them just slightly poor in terms of the structure, but pretty good. And it's interesting just to compare that with the potato harvest from a 25 litre tub. So only 10 litres difference between them, and it's not often you get more carrots than you get potatoes. So if you want to know more about growing carrots over winter and any other time of year, then I do have a little ebook that you can take a look at. Check out the individual growing guides in that book, and there's one all about carrots. So my name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.